I have a really quick, interesting fact. Since 1970, the Dow Jones Industrial Index, Industrial Average, it has gone up 20 times. Okay, so, you know, that is an average, and it's put together on volume. Same thing with the S&P 500. The S&P has gone up 22 times. So it's outperformed the Dow just a little bit, which is a little bit interesting. I'm not a stock advisor or broker, but the Dow is far more popular, and that may be why. But 22%, the size, the volume of the two are drastically different too, but it's still pretty interesting how close together they are. Gold and silver has gone up in value 33 times. That's huge. So in just the last 15 years, gold and silver is up over 300%, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so if in 1970 you took $100,000 and you invested it into just stock, and really look at this, Dow and S&P, you're just investing in stock, either index. There's other indexes too. Your money would not have increased all that much, because there are several events that you would have gone through in that time frame. 2008, 9/11, Black Swan event. So your money would be about $155,000 from the original $100,000. So you made about 50K. Now, had you just diversified, which is really what a smart investor does, and on the other side of the coin, what an unwise investor, someone who's really pretty foolish with their money, they don't do this. But if you diversified 10% gold, 10% silver, your portfolio would have almost doubled just by being diversified, by being smart, not getting creative, just being diversified, which is what a very small number of people surprisingly do. It's interesting when people are given the opportunity to make more money and be smart and have a lot of growth, they choose differently, and they really have nobody to blame other than themselves. Now, being that I am a gold and silver guy, and that's my passion, had you taken that $100,000 and invested into just gold and silver, you'd have over 300K. Over $300,000. That's a lot of money. Think about it. Don't do what's popular, do what's smart. About 2% of investors out there own gold and silver. You've got to ask yourself, why is that such a smart number? Jay Dalio says it's because people either don't know the history or the economics of it. That's it. So once you get those two things down, give me a call.